So what I'm saying is you need to hand your property management company a budget. I'll talk about that in a second, but we're going to hand our property management company a budget, and then they are going to put that into their system. And each month, they're going to produce the profit and loss and a variance report. And the variance report is just going to go line by line and say, income, expense, this, that, and the other, where we over, under, or on budget. Okay. And so you're going to take this budget, you're going to take your variance report, and you're going to be looking at that every month going, okay, are we on, off? Do we need to correct the budget? Do we need to create a new budget? What's going on? How do you create a budget? Simple. Take the seller's trailing 12, take your underwriting. However, you've underwritten this deal. You had to sit down at some point in time and create some form of pro forma that said, I'm pretty sure I'm going to collect this amount of rent, these amount of expenses. You had to have done that at some point in time to buy this property. At least I hope you did that at some point in time to buy this property. There is your budget, right? It's the underwriting for your deal. So you take what you created as the budget pro forma, right, to buy the property, give that to the management company and say, okay, the property needs to basically do this because I told my investors I would give them this return. So I need you to do this to give them that return.